Hello everybody, we're here again from Bobby's Hobbies, and we're looking today at a model I built a long time ago. This was a rolling lift bridge. It was something that was probably made either by AHM, Pola, or Tyco. Probably says on the bottom. Didn't want to turn it over. Now, the whole point is the train rolls over, and if the train's not there and there's supposed to be water, under the bridge, and some kind of boat needs to come by, well, the whole point is that you look at the back of the tower, you can see this is the brass tube. This would roll, and it would roll up these ropes, and then it raised the bridge. The problem is that now the question is, the engine's not going to do anything. I mean, the motor, if I get it to work, and I know it works, it's just going to make a lot of rumbling noise. So you just got to figure that, for whatever it's worth, this train, this accessory is a little bit noisy. I know a lot of people like things that are not noisy. I kind of like things now that are not noisy. But when at the time I made it, I thought the noise was great because it showed, it was rumbling with power. Just can't do it all the time. Let's see what that motor sounds like in this housing that you saw before earlier. That's not too bad. Now I'm just going to show you it rotating the wheel. See how there's the wheel. See, it's not too bad. It works with very little power. Now you could go crazy with this, and that would be a disaster. So I probably have to investigate some way of making this run slowly, maybe without a power pack. Maybe you should do it with a battery, like 1.5 volts or something, so that the thing, barely goes. Because the slower it goes, the better I'm off. I am, because otherwise the bridge is going to go up and down, and that won't be too good. So part two of this, I'm going to try to fashion a lever arm that's going to go